looking like a video. One of these days, I'll be Cadillac again. And I bet you wanna own one too. Wheels, wheels, wheels on a Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Baby, wheels, wheels, wheels on a Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Nah, hey, baby.
Stop, drop, pull it up and spin it. Everybody's got a little G-funk in them. I was staring through the glass with a grin on my face. A cold night of late October 98. Clap, clap, whipping through the city. Lean back with the rap, pat, boom, boom. Started a pat, 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 pat. No problems of mine, cause since 1990 I've been solving every 99 I'm singing.
One of these days I'll get the cash and love with the racks on that ride. And I'll sit high in the sky with the girls on fire. Leave the whole wide world behind.
Well, I'ma be cleaner than a divorceless marriage. I'm a horse and carriage with the doors and mirrors. Eating porridge and carrots. Embarrass your friends' parents. Now they're looking at a man with the world in his hands. Come on.
One of these days, I'll own a Cadillac again. With the ceiling back again. And I'm looking like a video. One of these days, I'll own a Cadillac again. And I'll bet you wanna own one too.
To my glass tinted, other girls with your ass up in it. Got 12 gorillas in my trunk, 12 gorillas in my trunk. Hot box to my glass tinted, other girls with your ass up in it. Got 12 gorillas in my trunk, 12 gorillas in my trunk.
Sit behind the wheel in a clean automobile and he don't drive. He sits and flies on wheels. These days I'ma get a lot of money, blow 100 racks on that whip. When I get rich, I'ma get what I wanna get, and nobody can tell me shit.
Carburetor and an alternator and exhaust and a defrost and a seatbelt with the seat locked and the lean back with the doors with dents. A broken radio and a hood ornament.
One of these days, I'll own a Cadillac again, with the ceiling back again, and I'm looking like a video. One of these days, I'll own a Cadillac again, and I bet you wanna own one too. One of these days, I'll own a Cadillac again, with the ceiling back again, and I'm looking like a video. One of these days, I'll own a Cadillac again, and I bet you wanna own one too.
Hot box to my glass tinted, other girls with your ass up in it. Got 12 gorillas in my trunk, 12 gorillas in my trunk.